Welcome to week 6 of Anatomy and Physiology. This week you will see that all assignments are due by 11:59 on March 3rd. This week we will be doing Chapter 5 module. I have a link here on the home page and it takes you to the Chapter 5 module. In the Chapter 5 module you will have, as always, notes, lecture materials, and tutorials. Then you will see that you will have Chapter 5 lecture assignment and Chapter 5 lecture quiz. For lab, that will be Lab 6, classification of tissues, to go with Chapter 5, classification of tissues. You will have a Lab 6 homework assignment and a Lab 6 quiz. Again, all of these assignments are indeed due before 11:59 on March 3rd. When you look here in the notes, lecture materials, and tutorials, you see that you have PowerPoints, you have notes. These are very good, excellent, detailed lecture outline notes there. And then the chapter is broken down into two parts, Part A and Part B, and then there's a tissue exam review here. You see that you also have tutorials that you can work if you would like. If you have any questions, please let me know. Be sure to get started early in the week, and good luck with your assignments. Please email or call if you have any problems. Thank you. Have a great week. Bye-bye.